AI is a model still in training as well. So the aspect of it where you would still need an experienced marketer to actually make sense of what this data is, because as I mentioned, right, not every fraud is actually fraud. Sometimes the end user that is actually a genuine user is just trying to get a higher reward or manipulate it. They could in turn be a genuine user, for example, right? So for example, when we offer our SDKs out to the publishers, right, we do offer things like face verifications and OTP. So the user has to go through this and enter that, and then the model runs and decides, okay, these users are actually genuine, and then it's on the marketer to actually be like, all right, now it makes sense to build up a cohort as well. So I think AI models will always be a certain boost that marketers would need, but at the end, I think, as Denise mentioned, right, the experience of a marketer is something that will still, in today's world at least, hold a massive significance. You cannot just set up everything on an AI model to detect fraud and prevent fraud and build out the data set for you and continue to succeed on building a game. So that human touch of it when combined with AI, I think that is the sweet spot that we all need to be in, at least for the coming years. Things could change overnight. Every time Sam Altman goes and does an open AI demo, things change. But at least in the current scenario of things, I think we are quite safe on this front.